Hey everyone, so I thought I'd share my little video of my little birdie friend that started perching a couple inches from my head when I walk in and out of my door. So I don't know. Its nest is there. It's a barn swallow, and I called wildlife and they said, well, it's not illegal, it's not encouraged obviously, but they're usually kind of more angry and violent, and I've been watching them over the last few years. They're very swift, very beautiful and amazing to watch. They're very accurate and they just fly. Like they could take out your eye in a second. You never know it was coming because they just kind of fly by your face, and they, you know, in protection of their nest. So it let me walk up to it and pet it for a few for 30 seconds or so, and I'll show the clip. And I went camping for a week by myself like after this, and the nature was still interacting with me, so I'm like, wow, I'm on the Snow White frequency or something. You know, as I said in my last batch of videos, that we're able to, you know, those with the higher frequencies are able to interact with nature, and they feel the heart frequency and your intentions. And if you don't have, you know, bad things you're carrying around, because that's how nature communicates. And I've seen it with kids, they instantly know what you're thinking. Like I've read a sign and suddenly kids were like, they'd read my mind. I'm like, whoa, you know, kids too young to know what the sign says. And so, and just anyway, so you know, nature's the same way, so they can read you, and people could read each other too. So I advise like clearing out all the clutter you've got stored up in your energy body. You know, it's good for relationships, for work. You know, clients are going to pick up on you, or whoever it is, they're going to know what you're carrying around. And if you haven't forgiven and let go of stuff, I mean, you can take out the garbage, man. Like, seriously. So anyway, when I went camping, there was this bird that was like trying to make a nest in my lap on my hammock. And then the squirrel was getting up in my face. I was like, what is going on? Like, what do you want from me? I don't know. I don't understand. You know, I guess I could, you know, it's fun. I'm just joking around. Like, it's kind of neat. And I've found, I don't know, I've always had a bird connection. I always find beautiful feathers, and you know, they feel like gifts, and at very synchronous moments in my life, just giant hawk feathers would show up and stuff like that. And these, like, unfortunately a bird had been mauled, but I found tons and tons of black and white feathers one time, and I felt like it's a gift in nature. And that's my store I go to. I don't like shopping. I hardly ever, occasionally maybe go to a thrift store, occasionally buy something online, but like you know, if I happen to be at a store and I see something, okay, I'll get it. But like, I hate shopping. So when people ask me, what's your favorite store, Leslie? I'm like, nature. Like, I really, what's better than nature? You know, I've got, my friend would make me grass skirts, and I like to make stuff out of, you know, nature to wear. I think it's more attractive. I don't know, you know. But that's why I got long hair. I mean, it's pretty much like a shirt. I don't need clothes. Like, I got long hair. So anyway, it's thought I'd share my nature experience, nature frequency, because apparently I'm like the scarecrow that can't scare away nature.